Hey everybody, my name is Mary and welcome back to my kitchen. It is summertime and we are blessed with an abundance of tomatoes. I have done lots of things this summer with tomatoes, but I want to try one today that I bet a lot of you haven't seen before or even heard of before. Drum roll, da 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 da. It's a salsa, but it is a peach salsa. Yeah, it's a salsa with peaches. Of course, it has tomatoes in it too. But yeah, we're gonna do something different today. Okay, I have my slow cooker preheating while I was chopping everything up. I saved you guys from being bored by watching me chop up everything. You're welcome. Okay. I have got tomatoes. I've got 2 pounds of tomatoes. I have yellow and red tomatoes. Just freshly washed and diced. I didn't peel them. Okay. I have a cup of diced up fresh peaches. I have another cup that we're going to add in later. Okay. I have jalapenos, I have onions, and I have garlic. So let me add all this in there. I'm telling you guys, this already smells good. I cannot wait to give this a taste test. Okay, I have brown sugar. And my pink sea salt. I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon or so in there. Okay, I'm going to give this a good stir. As you can tell, it's already good and hot, so everything's already starting to get juicy. Now folks, I did not put the cilantro in here that is called for. My family does not like cilantro. I love it, but if I'm going to make something, I want to try to make something that the entire family likes. Alright, our salsa has cooked down, and man oh man does that ever smell good. Okay, I have the other half of the peaches right here that we put in there, and I'm putting a half a can of tomato paste in here. That's just going to thicken the salsa up because it is a little thin. Stir that around and let it thicken up. Okay, now folks, you can do one of two things right here. One, you can let it cool and you can put it in a jar or a plastic container and put it in the refrigerator, or you can put it in the freezer. Whichever one of those that you would want to do would be fine, but I'm going to can mine. Get the stuff out of my way here. Again, real life folks, I'm a mess, what can I say? Okay. Now I think we're ready. Okay, I'm going to put lemon juice in here because we have tomatoes. There may not be enough acid to water bath it, so I'm going to add, since this is a half pint, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of lemon juice per jar. Okay. ladle. See how much that's thickened up since that tomato paste went in there, guys. It really thickened up a lot. These jars are out of the refrigerator. Listen to me. They're out of the dishwasher. So they're warm. Okay, of course the salsa straight out of the crock pot is warm. Really about an inch head space. Okay, I'm going to wipe off the top of the jar. That way there's nothing on there that will prevent the lid from sealing. And as you notice, I do not have these in boiling water. That's not recommended with today's lids. Okay, so I'm just going to take this, keep filling the jars until I have them all full. Put in my canner, and we're going to water bath for 20 minutes. I'm going to keep going and get the jars filled for you. Okay, I've got my salsa in the canner. It made 7 half pints. And as you can see, there is very little left. I'm talking like a couple of spoons full. So I'm really excited about this recipe. I had to do a quick taste test. It was really good. My son and husband tried it as well. They really liked it. So, guys, this is another winner. Okay, the processing time has finished. Oh man, look at that. Did you hear that, guys? That's one thank you, Jesus, it sealed. There's another one that's sealed as soon as I took it out. That is what we like. But folks, we've ended up, like I say, with 7 half pints. And it has an absolutely fantastic flavor to it. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and share. If you have any, there's another one. If you have any ideas for videos that you'd like for me to make, let me know in the comments. Hey, I'll be glad to do it. I take requests. I enjoy cooking. I'm definitely not anything fancy. Just a home cook who enjoys being in the kitchen. But thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you on the next video.